In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to generate a profit and loss report. Whether you're a small business owner or managing the finances of a larger company, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can easily access the financial insights you need. So let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, log into your account where the homepage will greet you. It's a good habit to ensure your browser is up to date and QuickBooks is accessible before you begin, just to ensure a smooth user experience. Once logged in, you will land on the Get Things Done page, which is your QuickBooks dashboard. Now navigate to the left-hand menu and locate the Reports tab. This is an essential step because reports will provide various options, including generating detailed insights into your business's financial performance. Click on Reports to open the Reports section. Here you'll find an array of different types of reports available at your fingertips, but today we are focusing specifically on the Profit and Loss report. In the search bar at the top of the Reports page, type in Profit and Loss. Using the search functionality can expedite your workflow, especially if you're dealing with numerous reports. As you start typing, QuickBooks will automatically begin filtering out the options to display only those relevant to your search keywords. Once you see the Profit and Loss report appear in the drop-down list, click on it. Clicking on the Profit and Loss report will open a new window where you can see the default report settings. This section of QuickBooks gives you a comprehensive look at how your business is faring over a specific period. It offers a snapshot of your income, expenses, and net income, or loss. It's critical to specify the desired timeframe for your report. You can do this by selecting the date range at the top of the report page. There are preset options like this month or last financial year to choose from, or you can customize the dates depending on your specific requirements. Once you're satisfied with the date range and have reviewed the report, remember you can save, print, or even export this report to Excel or PDF for further analysis and sharing purposes. Exporting data ensures you have a hard copy or a digital file to review at your convenience, and it's always good practice to periodically back up crucial financial documents. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently access QuickBooks to obtain your profit and loss report, empowering you with the financial data necessary to make informed business decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in simplifying the process.